Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Ethereum price action where we have been breaking out towards the upside of this falling wedge like expected on our Twitter page, like we have been discussing earlier today as well. I'm going to talk about the most important candle close for Ethereum that will be happening in the coming 14 hours, guys. We are about to close the weekly candle of Ethereum, and we could be right now setting a new highest weekly candle close ever in the history of Ethereum. So this is going to be extremely important to pay your attention towards right now, because this is going to be signifying either to of course see a massive rejection, or this could be signifying that Ethereum is absolutely going to stand it through towards new all-time highs here. So make sure that you're going to stick till the end of the video if you don't want to be missing out about this very important price analysis here on Ethereum. As well, we're going to discuss the 4-hourly candles, what we're currently seeing on the as well the momentum right now on the chart, and what is very likely to expect right here. I will be talking about the 1-hourly candles, and I will be talking about the falling wedge, where I will be start to talk about right now right away here. So guys, before I'm going to talk about this falling wedge formation on Ethereum, make sure to smash up the likes right now here, since the more people that are going to smash up the likes, the more viral cryptocurrency videos are going to go here, and the more viral cryptocurrency videos are going to go here, the more people will be getting exposed to crypto as well here. So it will be highly appreciated if you could be smashing up that like button right now here. So guys, like discussed earlier today here on my Twitter page, I was talking about a bull flag for falling wedge formation. A falling wedge formation is typical bullish bias pattern, so I was as well expecting a move towards the upside. Right now, of course, our price target was an approximately 2.5% move towards the upside. This price target is trading around to $3,986. We are right now already very clearly on our way towards this target. And since Bitcoin, of course, broke towards the upside of this descending triangle, like you can see over here, like as well discussed on our previous Bitcoin update video, and like as well discussed on our Twitter page, we're seeing a confirmation coming in here. We started to move up from there on, and that was as well giving me a signal to be a little bit more bullish on Ethereum. So this was for sure a very good trading opportunity, and for all the people out there, yeah, you could be for sure taking very strong trades right now on Ethereum. So if you're going to sign up right now with the link in the description here on Bybit, you will be first of all getting a $3,000 deposit bonus completely for free. You could be signing up your account right now here with the link in the description. Make sure that you're going to do so. It's going to be giving you, of course, some free trading money. If you're, of course, meeting the requirements, and you have to be reading that, of course, in the link in the description here. But definitely make sure to sign up already. It's definitely going to help you out to crush the market and maximize the gains that you could be currently making because of the volatility in the market. So yeah, price target, of course, about to get reached here. If we're going to reach this price target, this is going to be very interesting, since right now, of course, if I'm still going to look at the 1-hourly candles, we were seeing, of course, some bullish momentum getting created over here. We were seeing the MACD forming a higher low, multi-price action forming a lower low. This was, of course, giving us a bullish divergence. This bullish divergence, of course, resulted in a push towards the upside as well for Ethereum. The RSI was not giving me a bullish signal at all here. Probably if we're going to increase further up here, we're most likely going to find some resistance around this level of the $3,986, together with the reason that I do think this is our price target. This is going to be a major import level to break above to. So yeah, very interesting what we're currently having as well. Guys, you have to be paying your attention right now towards the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart here. So Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart is basically telling us how strong Ethereum will be performing against Bitcoin. And right now it looks to be that we're running into some very critical resistance. So on the 4-hourly candles, you can see we got almost every single time we were touching this level, we got rejected. So resistance. And I would love to see, of course, a 4-hourly close above this level. I mean, we are seeing right now this theme getting cooled off here, because you can clearly see we had a parabolic run up here on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. Right now we're seeing sideways action here on the top of a parabolic run up here. Usually sideways action after a parabolic run up here is resulting in a momentum loss here, what could be maybe resulting in a cool off period getting started. But however, I still will be remaining a little bit neutral right now here. I will be definitely be very careful with trading Ethereum right now here, first of all. But if I'm going to look at the 1-hourly candles, you can see right now, if you're going to connect these wicks here on the top side, and if you're going to connect all these wicks here, you can see, yeah, we're still getting rejections every single time from off this level. As well, if you're going to connect just the pure chart, the candle close, of course, you can see that we are about to break out here, and we could be still see a fake out here. So we have to be waiting another 34 minutes to see how this candle will be closing. But if we're able to close this 1-hourly candle above this level, yeah, we could be, of course, look for higher price action. But if we're going to create a huge wick on the top side and still move down from here on, this is going to be, of course, a huge bearish candle, and that is, of course, a thing that I won't like to see here. So guys, if you want to be staying updated about this development, make sure to follow me already here on Twitter, so you're first of all not going to miss out on all these important updates that we are giving to you guys here about the market, but as well do not miss out on these important updates that we are going to give on the things that we're discussing in the video. So make sure to follow me already on Twitter. It is @RoverCRC, very easy tag to follow, and yeah, you will become as well part of these 12,000 followers. It will be amazing if you're going to join us right now here. As well, if you're seeing a trading opportunity, I will be trying to keep you guys up to date about it for sure. And let me right now discuss further things here, because yeah, for hourly candles, guys, we are starting to move up very significantly. Still will be discussing, we are seeing a huge momentum loss on the 4 hourly candles. We are still forming higher price actions, and this section over here, we were forming a higher high, lower high on the RSI, lower high here on the MACD. This was giving me a signal of a trend reversal. So right now we're still forming a lower high. As soon as Bitcoin is able to close its as soon as Ethereum is able to close its 4 hourly candle above this 4 hourly candle over here, I will be still even be more careful, because we're going to create a huger and bigger bearish divergence, but it will be still signifying that we're in an uptrend. So yeah, it's going to be extremely important how this will be reacting towards the market here. So yeah, looking forward towards that here. And as well, if you're going to right now look at the Bitcoin, Ethereum, I mean, yeah, weekly chart, guys. You can see right now, Ethereum weekly candles is one of the most important candles to pay your attention towards right now here. This weekly candle is going to be very important, because we are right now seeing this weekly resistance from the past here has to be getting met in. This resistance level over here is about to, I mean, we are currently retesting this level, and this is going to be one of these most important levels that we have to be seeing Bitcoin closing its weekly candle above. So guys, make sure that you're going to pay your attention towards this right now here, because if we're not able to close this weekly candle right now above this level, this is of course signifying a rejection. And if we're going to be able to close this weekly candle above this level, we could be heading for a retracement, and after that we could be retesting this previous level of resistance on the weekly as support, and we could be starting to move up here. And this will be as well bullish, since this is of course and higher high on the weekly candle. So definitely looking forward towards how Ethereum is going to react towards it. Of course, if we're going to close this candle over here, we are going to once again create a huge bearish divergence on the weekly, but I know the weekly is a very lacking time frame here, so it could be for sure be so that we're going to increase towards $5,000 before correcting. But I mean, if I'm still going to look and be very honest on the daily candles, I will still be very careful. Of course, I was just talking about the weekly time frame being a lacking indicator. That as well, the daily time frame is as well a lacking time frame. You can see over here, higher high getting formed in the markets. Lower high here on the RSI, lower high here on the MACD. I'm still careful on the daily, and I have been still standing behind my words here. I have been taking some profits on Ethereum right now here, because I do expect that Bitcoin and Ethereum is going to take a minor correction before once again moving up. Because yes, I do think all-time highs are imminent, but not right now, because the market is right now looking extremely weak on these higher levels right now here, on the daily time frame at least here. So yeah, daily time frame is a lacking indicator. It could be taking some time before we're really going to see this divergence playing out here, guys. But this was already it for 2 days. Quick Ethereum update videos. Make sure to check out yeah, the other Bitcoin update video if you still want to be finding out about what we are about to do for Bitcoin right now here. But guys, thank you so much for watching once again to this amazing new video here on the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.